The Institute of Banking Personal Selection has released the IBPS Clerk Application Form 2021 at the IBPS official website iibps.in. Applicants meeting the minimum IBPS Clerk eligibility criteria can apply for the IBPS Clerk 2021 exam. The IBPS Clerk eligibility is based on components like nationality, age and educational qualification. To submit the IBPS application form successfully, applicants need to pay the requisite application fee as set by the institute. Careers 360 brings to you the steps on how to fill the IBPS Clerk Application Form 2021. First, visit the IBPS official website, which is iibps.in. Click on the Apply Online for CRP Clerks 11 link on the IBPS homepage. A new window will open. There, click on the New Registration tab. Enter the basic personal details and contact information to complete the IBPS Clerk 2021 registration process. After successful IBPS registration, the IBPS Clerk application number and password will be sent to the applicant's registered email ID and mobile number. Now upload the scanned photograph and signature as per prescribed dimensions and press the next button. Enter details such as category, address, IBPS Clerk Center choice, medium of exam, preferred state for service, etc. and submit the details. Then click on the next tab. Enter the academic details and work experience as asked. Now choose the organization preferences in decreasing order, that is most preferred at the top and last preference at the bottom. After submitting the preference, preview the IBPS Clerk application form and check all the details carefully, as once the application form is submitted, no changes can be made. Now, upload the handwritten declaration and the impression of the left-hand thumbprint. To complete the IBPS Clerk application form, applicants need to pay the requisite fees using the credit card, debit card or net banking. For more information on the IBPS Clerk 2021 exam, you can subscribe to our channel Careers 360. You can also know more about the IBPS Clerk exam by clicking on the links that are given in the description below.